So what final words of wisdom do you have for anybody following in your footsteps, coming up as an entrepreneur and a business owner and a founder? What would
Yeah.
you say to them?
Just a huge have a huge appetite for success. Be hungry. Because if you get content very easily, you won't push yourself to the limits, and even go beyond the limits, and actually see how far you can go, because then you know how far you can go truly. Surround yourself with people who have scars, not physically, but actually show for themselves that they understand what it's like to be in the trenches, to be a founder. Don't I find it hilarious when we're talking to investment firms and the associate or the partner or the analyst has never built a company in their life. That conversation ends immediately. In fact, I'll tell them to their face, go, quit your job and go build a company, and don't talk to a founder that's building a company until you've done exactly that, found a company. It's like the conversation you can expect between a developer and a non-developer. The non-developer hasn't even spent an hour learning about coding, taken an introductory free course, just looked at a book, understanding how the architecture. You are not respecting the art of the other individual across the
Mhm.
table. So do that. Make sure you do that for yourself. I think those are some examples of words of wisdom that I would give to people who are looking to looking to build a company. Just it's a 24/7 hustle. You sleep, of course, but it's a 24/7 hustle. Whether you're sleeping and you're thinking about it in your brain, and you're fresh up in the morning, you have to know exactly what you're going to do. ABC, have it scheduled, have everything scheduled and organized. Otherwise, the worst thing is when you're not organized, you're wasting time. It's not only grunt work, but you're spinning your wheels and someone else is getting ahead. You want to get ahead.